And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start Excel Chapter 1 simulation exam. If you need instruction of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you trouble in any project, I am here to give a quality guide for you. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, all classes, simulation training and simulation exam. Just text me through WhatsApp or group the grades and copy sheets. Okay, create a header with create a header with the now I am going to create a header in page layout. Then in margin tab I am going to create a label, and then header and footer, create a header with exploring series, exploring. Then sheet type in the center and the Excel file from right. I have unchecked the spelling in the group worksheet and correct anyways. Now I am going to in home tab, sorry, in review tab, spelling error is here. Okay, I have completed the question number 1. Now I am going to move for my next question. Copy the sheet 1 worksheet. Okay, move and copy, create a copy for the sheet 1 worksheet. Move that sheet 2 from the right of the pick this one, and the right of from the copy sheet 1. Rename the sheet 1 tab as a rates. Sheet 1, rename this sheet 1 rates. Okay, so enter. Rename the sheet 1 as a and press enter. Okay. Now I'm going to move for my next question. I am dealing with Microsoft All Class. Click cell A9 and delete the row. And delete this row. Insert a new row 9. Delete and insert a new row. Type professional in cell A9. Copy this one. A9 and enter. Select cell A9 and then apply bold. Okay. Now I am going to move for my next question. It says enter the first percentage of the regular formula. Okay. Copy this one and then cell F6. F6 is equal to 1 minus C. I just need to call. Okay, is equal to 1 minus C6 divided by D6. Double click by using the fill handle, copy the formula in remaining cell. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move on my next question. Apply middle align to the title in cell A1. Cell A1, apply the middle align. Apply center horizontal alignment to the ranges C4 to G4. C4 to G4. Apply center horizontal. Select the ranges A4 to J4 already G4 already selected and apply bold. Apply wrap text to the ranges D4 to G4. D4 to G4. Apply wrap text. I have completed the question number 5. Now I am going to move for my next question. Type member type in cell A4. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Okay, member type in cell A4. Select cell A1 and then spell work. Select cell A1 and then check the spell work. Now you can see here I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. Select cell A1 and then spell work A1 and in review tab. Okay, change all and okay. I have done the question number 6. Now I am going to move for my next question. Display cell formula. Today I am going to solve Excel chapter 1 simulation exam in formula tab, and here you can see show formula, and then hide the cell formula, show formula again, type 435 in cell C6. C6 is here 435. Type 400 in cell C9. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. Select the ranges A1 to G1 and apply the ascend 1 cell style. A1 to A1 to G1 and apply the ascend 1 cell style. Ascend 1 cell style. I have done this modification with the A1 to G1 selected simultaneously from merge and center. Merge and center. Okay, with the A1 to G1 selected, apply bold. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. Display the worksheet in print preview. Click the next display the second worksheet in the print preview. Okay. In file tab. Okay. Okay. I have completed the question number 9. Now I am going to move for my next question. On the worksheet, cell A1 is the active cell and replace the occurrence. Okay, A1 as the active cell and now first one amount with the price. Replace this one with price and replace all and then OK and close. I have completed the question number 10. Now I am going to move for my next question. Increase the index 2 times for the data in the ranges A7 to A9. A7 to A9. Select it and increase the index 2 times. And increase the index 2 times A11 to A13. A11 to A13 and increase the index 2 times. Okay, I have completed the question number 11. Now I am going to move for my next question. Adjust the width of column A to 25.00. Adjust the width of column A. Select the column and then column width is here and 25.00. I have done this one. Adjust the height of row 1 to 30. Select the row 1 and adjust the height of row 1 to 30 and OK. Select and hide column B. Select and then hide the column B. Select and hide column F. Select and hide column F. Unhide column F. Unhide. I have completed the question number 12. Now I am going to move for my next question. Group the rates and the copy sheets again. Set the orientation of the selected worksheet to landscape. Page layout and orientation to landscape. Set 1 to okay. Now I am going to set the margin according to the instruction. 1.5 inch top. 1.5 top. 5 top margin and select the option horizontally and OK. With the both selected worksheet, change the scaling to 115%. Now I am going to move for my next question. Select and copy the ranges A9 to G9. Paste the ranges starting in cell A13. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Select and copy the ranges A9 to G9. A9 to G9. Paste the starting in A13, copy this one and A13 and select and copy. I already select and copy the range starting in cell A13 and then escape. Type 425 in cell C13, 425 and 25 and 525 in D13, 525 in D13. I have completed the question number 14. Now I am going to move for my next question. Insert a new row 5. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you trouble in any project. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you trouble in any project. I am here to deliver quality grades in all projects. Okay. Here you can see insert a new row 5. I have inserted a new row. Select and cut the ranges A13 to G13. Okay. A13 to G13 and paste the starting select the cut and ranges. Select and cut the ranges in cell A5. Look at the cell A5 and then undo the action and select and cut the ranges A12 to G12. Select and cut the range A12 to G12. Insert cursor in cell A5. I have completed the question number 15. Now I am going to move for my next question. It says enter 2,24,001 in cell B6 and press enter. Copy this one in B6. Use fill handle. By using the fill handle, I am going to copy the series. Okay. I have completed this question. Use fill option to change the option to series. I have done the question number 16. Now I am going to move for question apply accounting number format C5 to F13. C5 to F13. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. C5 to F13. Okay, I am going to select the ranges C5 to F13. Apply accounting number format. With the C5 to F13 selected, decrease the number of decimal places 0. Decrease decimal. Okay, apply percent style and then change the decimal places to 1. G5 to G13. G5 to G13. Apply the percent style and then change the decimal places to 1. Percent style and change the decimal places to 1. Select the ranges G5 to G13 and apply the align right. G5 to G13. G5 to G13 and apply align right. Select the ranges G5 to G13 and apply align right. Increase the index one time G5 to G13. Increase the index one time G5 to G13. Okay.